How to make your own landscape lights. I've been doing this for about 4 or 5 years, and I don't make them to sell them, but I just include them on a job for customers, and we put them underneath steps or retaining walls. You got some 4x6 copper panel, 18 gauge or so. Cut a little slit about 3/4 of the way in, like so. Three-quarters of an inch, not 3/4 of the way in. Then just peen the end so it looks a little beat up. Like that. Flatten it off somewhat. I got this little break right here. So it looks something like this. Now you come over on the finger brake. Right over here. Flip these two little tabs that we cut up. The front flap gets folded over. These get folded back. The sides is what gauges how far they go back into a wall. Then from there, what I usually do is also make them in aluminum or stainless steel if you like. From there, what we do is soak them into some old used oil. Half a minute, don't need much. Put them in the wood stove. Don't need much. 4 minutes. Take them out, dip them in cold water, and slip patina. It's a nice finish on them, and it painting them gives it a nice hammered look. Then what I do is I buy these strips, just LED strips. These are the ones that they usually have in storefronts wrapped around the windows, and they have a 3M sticker pad in the back of them. What I do is I just separate one, take one away, leave the wire for the next one, and the way it works out is pretty good. It took me a while to gauge it, so I'm able to lock these tabs in. So it took me a little adjusting to try to get these just right. And then all we do is just glue them right into the back. This glue is pretty good. It lasts pretty good. It's strong stuff. Slide the little tabs in the little flaps that we pre-made. Like so. Just hammer it. Copper is real soft, so you can just hammer at it, hammer it down, or just go back on the brake and push it. These tabs that we cut before, you just flip them over, like so. It'll keep any light shining from the side, and like I said, it gauges to where it rests on the wall, so you got enough light bouncing down without it being too tight to the wall. That's all there is to it. They take about 15 minutes each to make. I got it to the point where I usually make like 10 at a time, so I have them on hand when we do a job, and I can just install them. And we just buy a transformer from Lowe's, and I throw it in with the job. The customers are always happy about that. Really doesn't cost me much to do it. I figure you probably got about $2 to $3 per light. Let me show you what they look like lit. I got one of each plugged in onto a transformer at the shop just to see what they look like. I've been doing this for about 5-6 years, and I've had not one of them blow out yet. Last a long time. Like to put them in steps, even with snow. Good thing to make. Real inexpensive. Thanks for watching.